Coronel aggressively warms the tyres on the 343 Kart Republic to victory lane. The Dutchman on the inside second row of the grid. Philip Hall on pole position. We don't race into another formation lap. This is heat number 22 of the day. The third last heat as the shadows... And it's a perfect start from MITSUSADA. Rocco up into second place. Coronel, you pick the orange helmet, the Stilo colours, or the touch colours on the Stilo. Victory lane in P2, Ricky Flynn Motorsport, position 1. Up the inside goes Jensen Burnett for the Fusion Motorsport team. Nice pass by JB, the Canadian. Rocco Coronel into it after Ford Racing as the Sonic Kart of Filippo Pancotti gets sideways on the exit and he'll lose a place there. Costoya in P4. Good start also again for Roman Kamyama. We're watching Ethan Lennon 362 for the Beyond Racing team from the back of the grid after struggling in qualifying to not set a time. We'll see where the South African comes on through. And he makes up a couple of plays. Goes through on the Spaniard, Manuel Miguez, Levi Arn and Alex Brunegosner. Manuel Miguez, Spanish mini champion in Rotax. On debut in OKJ. And Philip Hall stops. Sala is down. Sala sensationally stops on the side of the circuit. Filippo Hall. He's out. Colpa di Gemma che disastro per il pilota trentino. Filippo Sala 40. Dalla sua ultima man. Il disastro. Rocco Coronel now assumes the lead for Team Victory Lane. Second. Costoya into Arata. Ford Racing and goes Burnett. Mancotti. JB up the inside. The Canadian takes the Japanese rover. Filippo Mancotti in the Sonic Kart right there. What's Arte? For Ricky Flynn Motorsport now flies the colours for the World Championship winning team of RFM up to the retirement of Filippo Sala, Tanya Pradier, second Victory Lane Kart, Rocco, then a run from Zulfikari, Iskander, from Tipolowski. Here comes storming through from the back of the grid, Velocity in P10, but here she's, that's off under the office. Feet under. Zanga, Sakai, Sazini, Korda, Dezinot, Zebo, Ethan Lennon, up and down weekend. Storming first heat. Not so much in the second, a good run earlier on. The Daytonian down through the chicane. Up and down big time, now he's in 21st position. Yesterday, Ethan Lennon from 23rd to 6th in the first heat. Easy Sanders Zulfikari on the back of Mark Robdell. Filippo Pancotti just ahead. The Sonic Kart. Kid Velocity in the other Sonic Kart in P10. Suburb from Kid. It's low behind the steering wheel of the Sonic Kart Sigma. Better run from Iskander the Quite. Zulfikari races down the hill. The Ward Racing Sonic Kart of the Ukrainian Mark Robko just ahead. Rocco races into the lead. Costoya is behind the fourth generation racer, Mark Zandvoort for Amsterdam in the Netherlands. now Ethan Lennon. Now he goes purple. Still down in 21st place. The South African purple again in the second sector. Ethan Lennon, halfway distance, and now the South African is the fastest driver on circuit. Purple first sector, purple second sector. He flashes across the line with a 47.68. 2 almost 3/10 of a second faster than Kostoya, who's got the race lead. Kipolowski, Filippo Pancotti, under the office, is there as well. All under the office, 325, 24. So this is Lead Motorsport. Senior powered leader Norris Hart from the 10th position. Okay, 325 up from 324. Pancotti under the office. Velocity. Brovko. Zulfikari now opening the P7. As they drop off Corrada Firanda in the parallel 339. Georgi Zastov is next. Yes, Sandy, good to see the check. The spree for Hadman Racing having a better run after a DNF yesterday. Billy Sunland and fastest on circuit to 2019. Cruising off, Sebo, Arne and Manuel Miguez, the final runner. Ethan Lennon goes purple, 47.6 this time. The fastest driver on circuit. That's only 19. Goes by and takes Tobias Viceni. Next is Darren Zhang, Luke Honda in the 343 X3 from Germany. Corrada Firanda makes a nice move down the inside of Kipolowski, and Paul under the offers is there as well. shadows getting longer here at South Garda Karting. This is the third last heat of the evening. L'ultima vuelta, la Ronde para Cristian Costoya for Rocco Coronel. Last lap, present the group for the pre-final in OK Junior. It will be Costoya to win it and Costoya to start on pole position for pre-final A for OKJ tomorrow morning. Sakai is the fastest lap of the race. But out front, the extended flag will wave for the Spaniard. Wins it from Rocco Coronel. Into Burnett to Burn in P3. Pract, good recovery from Sulficati. And up to Endor. Kamya, Rocco, Konada Kinanda, and Sakai from the back of the grid. Ryotaro in the 351 CRG. Fastest lap of the race as well, a 40.